Welcome to my channel, where we're here to help you kickstart your journey into design using one of the most popular tools out there, Figma. Whether you're an experienced designer or an absolute beginner, this video will guide you through your first steps in Figma. Creating your Figma account. Let's begin by creating your Figma account. If you haven't done so already, head over to figma.com and you'll be greeted with this lovely homepage. Click on that sign up button and you're on your way. Figma offers various pricing tiers, but today we're diving into the free version. Navigating the Figma interface. Now, let's get acquainted with the Figma interface. I know it may look a tad intimidating, but fret not. We'll break it down. Up here is your trusty toolbar. This is where you'll find all your design tools, from the selection tool to shapes and text. This big empty space, that's your canvas where your designs come to life. Over here on the left is your layers panel. It's like a roadmap of your design, showing all the elements you've added. And last but not least, on the right, we have the properties panel. It's where you can fine-tune the details of your selected element. Your first artboard. Time to roll up our sleeves and dive in. Let's create our first artboard. This is like the canvas for your design, and it's where you'll place all your elements. To create an artboard, click on the frame tool in the toolbar and simply drag to draw your artboard on the canvas. It's that easy. Artboards are essential because they help you organize your designs, especially when you're designing for different screens or pages. Think of them as dedicated spaces for your creative ideas. Adding elements. Now that we've got our artboard, let's start adding some design elements. Click on the shape tool in the toolbar, choose your shape, and then click and drag on the artboard to create it. To add text, select the text tool, click anywhere on the artboard and start typing. You can always adjust the size and style in the Properties panel. Don't be shy about resizing and styling your elements. Figma offers a wealth of customization options to help you achieve the look you want. Congratulations! You've successfully taken your first steps into the world of Figma. You've created your account, explored the interface, and designed your first artboard with elements. You're on your way to becoming a design pro. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into creating more complex designs, working with layers and adding that extra flair to your projects. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated.
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.